In this video, we're going to take a look at the URL Extractor add-on for MainWP. URL Extractor allows you to extract URLs using custom tokens of any post or page from your child sites and export them as CSV or TXT files. Let's examine how it works. Navigate to the add-ons page and then URL Extractor. Once you're on the add-ons page, you'll see a field called Output Format. This is where you define what kind of info you want to extract. You can use tokens like post or page title, URL, date, status, author, website URL, and website name. You can also mix in regular text and characters to format everything the way you want, and to insert the tokens, you can click on their respective green buttons. For example, you can write something like website, then click on the token, title, again click on the respective token, then finally URL and its token. Each entry in the output will now follow that structure. Just next to the output format, there's a field for setting the separator. So you can decide whether each entry goes on a new line by leaving this field empty, or it's separated by a comma, or anything else you choose. On the right side of the screen, you can narrow down exactly what gets pulled in. We will choose 3 of our child sites. You can also filter by post type, post or page, and here we will select post. You can narrow it down to select post statuses, and here we will select published and draft, and even filter by keywords or a date range. Let's leave the keyword and date range fields empty in order to include all posts. Once your filters and output format are ready, click Preview Output. Everything looks good. We got a list of posts from 3 of our selected child sites, and each line is formatted in the way we specified. We have a website token, title, and URL of the post. Remember, this is completely customizable in the output format field. From here, you can export this as a TXT or CSV file. Now, if you often use the same structure for your exports, you'll like the template feature. Once the output format and separator are set, give your template a name and save it. Later on, you can load any saved template from the dropdown and reuse it instantly by clicking the Use Template button. And if you ever want to delete a saved template you're no longer using, just select it from the list and hit the Delete button. That's it for the URL Extractor. It's a simple but powerful way to get exactly the links you need from across all your sites whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and check out one of our other videos next.